What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. Before we begin, please hit that like and subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Look, I've been seeing a lot of new followers. I had a lot of followers hit me up on Instagram. We've been chopping it up about human made. It's just been really dope just talking to my subscribers and just having a genuine conversation with them. They've been putting me onto other brands. Also, starting Wednesday, moving forward, every Wednesday, I'm gonna start dropping videos. It's gonna be filler content because I know y'all don't want to wait from Sunday to Sunday to see videos of me that I drop. So Wednesday will be Storytime Wednesdays. Every Wednesday I will be dropping a video about me telling stories of things that happened to me that's funny as hell and some crazy shit that happened to me in my life, and just give y'all a little bit of insight about me and get to know me a little bit better. With that being said, watch out for this Wednesday. I'll be dropping my first video. Without further ado, let's begin the unboxing. Maybe a short video, but it's cool. Let's get to it. Let's go. So the first item I'm gonna unbox is gonna be from Adidas. I had got me some new flip-flops because the ones that I got, they are slowly deteriorating over time because I'm wearing so much, because I barely wear tennis shoes, because I know if I'm going outside, I'm throwing my flip-flops on and get where I need to go and just keep it pushing. So I'm going to unbox this. Remember, cut away from yourselves. There you go. Okay. Alright. Alright. So here's a box that they come in. Very simple. Very simple. Alright, get these bitches bust open. It's awkward sitting the way I'm sitting. If y'all can just see how much space I got and how tall I am, this shit uncomfortable, but bear with me. Alright, so these are the flip-flops I got. I swear I got these in gray instead of white, but these are the flip-flops that I picked up because the ones I got are fucking destroyed. Let me show y'all. They ain't destroyed, but they are getting there. So this freaking... Anyway, like if you can see this right here, like it's peeling on the sides right here. So like this part gonna end up coming off because it's peeling on the side. It's doing it on both flip-flops. So that's why I decided to pick some new ones up. Hopefully these hold up a little bit like better than the ones that I've been wearing of lately. So I expect Adidas to have some good quality in their stuff. And from what I'm seeing right now, it may hold way longer than these because these are stitched. It is stitched. Yeah, these are stitched all the way through, and I think these are just glued down, so I'll be wearing these a lot more. I wish they had black, but they was out of stock, and I got these in 10.5, so this is the first one that I got. First item, flip-flops from Adidas, so it's cool. I can wear these during the summer, because that's all I do is wear flip-flops through the whole summer. If you wear thong flip-flops, and you're a dude, something wrong with you, dog. Something wrong with you. So we're gonna get to the first package of Chinatown Market, and I got some shorts. Both of these items I got are shorts because I need more shorts. Like I already have some, but I've been wearing the past like 3 pairs of shorts for the past like week, and I gotta keep buying shorts for the summer, man. You gotta have shorts for the summer. You have to have them. All right, so these are from Chinatown Market. What is it? Damn. Oh, sticker, boy, focus. There it is. Sticker that came with it. So these are the shorts that I picked up. All right, bust these on right there. Ooh. All right, so I got me some blue tie-dye shorts from Chinatown Market. Can't go wrong with shorts, and these are like a cotton instead of like the normal like basketball shorts you would see. So these are more like a cotton short, and it says Chinatown Market on the back of the tag. And these are Champion shorts. I see everybody wearing Champion now, and they just blew back up because I remember people used to make fun of Champion when I was a kid. So yeah, so it says Chinatown Market in the front. Boy. These are dope. I will be wearing these a lot, and I fuck with them. I had to get something different. Again, I had to get more colors for my wardrobe because I got too much white and black, and I need some colors. So, next package. Bushy thing on right here. Well, thought I did. And these shorts, these are like one of my favorite pair that I had picked up from Chinatown compared to these. You'll see why in a minute. I just thought it was so cool and dope the way they did it. Oh, hold on. Did I get a sticker in there? What? Oh, I did. I got one. I got another one. So I got another one of these. Focus. Another one of these. So I still didn't use the ones that I got from the last video. Alright, so the shorts that I got, these are again made from damn, these are big. I thought I got a medium. Oh well, the good thing I got a drawstring. So the shorts are champion shorts, and it says Prada. So Chinatown Market been doing like designer brands, I guess like a spin on it, and they did Gucci, Prada, and Dior. But I like the Prada ones better that they had dropped the shorts. It had this little duck on them, and I thought these were just so damn dope, so I had to cop them. I caught these really quick. I think I was at work again, because I normally see most of this shit when I'm at work, and I get like, I just go on my phone and start scrolling and see what's going on. Then I'm like, I seen these, they're like, oh, we got a new drop. So I caught these, and hey, I had to get them. So the Gucci and Dior one, I wasn't really feeling those too much, but these I was fucking with them really hard. They had a t-shirt version of this, but I wasn't really digging the t-shirt version. I get it, same design, just on a t-shirt, but I thought it was just way doper on just some shorts, just some lounge shorts. Just throwing a white tee with these, put on my Adidas NMD shoes, and I'm out the door, dog. Like, these are just straight up lounge shorts. I'm heading out the door real quick. I'll be right back type of clothes. So these are the items that I got for Chinatown Market and Adidas. My next video, it should be a human made video. I got some heat coming in. I had just ordered another item from human made that I'm hopefully be here on time when my main package come in from human made. So I can have a nice little unboxing from y'all. And within a couple of weeks, I will be doing another human made giveaway. So I hope y'all enjoyed the unboxing. I know it was probably short and quick, but it's whatever. Again, Wednesday, I will be doing Storytime Wednesday, just me talking about my life and some funny stories that happened in my life. So be on the lookout for that. I don't want to say the first, I don't want to say what my first story gonna be, but it's gonna be my first time ever doing something. It ain't me losing my virginity, but it's my first time ever doing something, but it's illegal. But it's not illegal in some states. I'll just leave it there. I'll give y'all that hint to let it marinate in your brain. I'm pretty sure y'all figured out what it is, but it's gonna be a story about me getting into some stuff that I shouldn't have been doing at the time, but it's cool. Anyway, y'all wait until Wednesday. Thank y'all for watching again. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified on Wednesday as well. Again, it's gonna be filler content just to keep something, just keep the content rolling in and have y'all something to watch. With that being said, I'll catch y'all next video. I'm out. Peace.